ormai se siete qui conoscete tutti Florin e Francesco, facciamo un grande applauso a Francesco che sale sul palco. Tra l'altro vederlo col microfono in mano è una cosa molto particolare perché parla veramente pochissimo e quando parla dice delle cose molto interessanti, per cui a voi, grazie.
Okay, so we'll switch in English now. Whoever doesn't understand English or it has troubles with it, we have always the live translators. You can get the headphones. We will wait for a few minutes that you guys settled, a couple of minutes. So yeah, first of all, my name is Florin. This is Francesco, my associate. We are from TrafficManager. This was a speech we should have, a keynote we should have yesterday, but for some reasons we needed to move it to today. So yeah, we will go. So who we are and what we do. First of all, I would like to apologize if you will see any mistakes, grammar or something on the slide, but I did it at 4 in the morning, this morning. I didn't have time to do our own presentation. So my name is Florin Simovici. I'm the CEO, co-founder of TrafficManager. We are providing technology for affiliate networks from any industry, mostly. Cash on delivery, it can be anything, dating, casino, we have clients everywhere. We are on the space since 2016 with this. I have 15 years of experience in the affiliate marketing field. I started as an affiliate myself. I was a super affiliate, as they were called. I don't know if it's still the term today. I was doing search engine optimization, and I was working mostly in the dating and adult industry at that time. Previous owner of an affiliate network for more than 5 years. So me and Francesco, this is how we've met, actually. We launched our own affiliate network in 2014. Okay? And since 2016, the technology created by Francesco at that time and me, just were two of us. So I was giving, I was telling what necessities I have, and he would have coded. We decided to put TrafficManager on the market as a test. It was a test. And I'm also one of the co-organizers of this event, together with the guys from AI20, which are here with me, I think. And we have Francesco here with us, co-founder and CTO of TrafficManager. 10 years of experience in affiliate marketing as well. Previous owner of an affiliate network with me. And since 2016, the CTO of TrafficManager. He's also one of the co-organizers of the Affiliate Expo conference because, well, mostly he handles the technical team. So anyway, the 5 things you need to know before launching an affiliate network. And why have we choose to do this today is because we have many clients coming to us and they say, we want to launch an affiliate network. And what's your experience into that? Okay, I give you the software. What's your experience? You say, nothing. Okay, well, I will take your money. But don't expect that for this money, I will handle it for you, because that's impossible. I just give you a car. You need to know how to ride it. If I give you a Ferrari, you will not become a race champion. You need to train yourself into that. So we started to do this educational, let's say, things on our YouTube, in our blogs. So every time I go to a conference, I try to educate people into this, because it's not that easy. And we don't want the clients that just start into this without even trying to educate themselves a little bit. So this is what you will come across, okay? First of all, okay, you need an affiliate tracking and management platform, or a tracking software, how it's also called in some industries. It's a platform. You can either build it in-house, like AI20, Flamifox, they have it in-house, or you can start with a SaaS, like ours and others. There are 2 types of tracking platforms that you need to understand on the market. One is for the affiliates, and one is for the networks. Are 2 different things. They have some things in common, but the use case is different. The tracking platforms for affiliates, and I will also give you some examples, Volume, RedTrack, Post Affiliate Pro, and they are here with us somewhere, present at the conference. They are good for affiliates. They are built as a tool for the affiliates to optimize and segment their campaigns. Tracking platforms for networks, you have Affice, Everflow, TrafficManager, there are some others. They are built to manage multiple affiliates, optimize and segment their traffic, manage the payouts, manage the leads, it's more complex than that. It's not just campaign optimization. It covers everything. And Francesco, that's yours.
Okay, so what's the difference between having a SaaS solution and building your own in-house tracking platform? These are some a short summary of the costs. Of course, if you build it, you have to pay your development team. You have server costs by renting some services like for targeting, geolocation, and more. So here it was an estimation of 9,000 euro per month versus 600 for an average network. Yeah, you can switch. But yeah, you have some pros, which is one is to have the complete control, so you build it the way you want. You don't have to wait for the SaaS solution to stay on their time limit. I mean, you can do whatever you want, but yeah. And if you yeah, cons, you already switched. Okay.
Oh, sorry, back. My bad.
Yeah, you can customize it. You have full flexibility and so on. The design is also important for some networks. And okay, so yeah, for some networks, if you can, it's a good solution also to have your own in-house. If you can afford also all the costs that come. This okay, because yeah, you have to develop. You will have a lot of bugs. Of course, you need to wait a long time. You need man power, and you will for sure lose money with bugs. Because if you have a SaaS, the bugs are like, since a SaaS like us that has many clients, when we found a bug. It's solved right away, and since we have many clients, it's one of the clients maybe will find it, and it's solved for all of them. Okay, yeah, scalability issues. You need to have a very technical team, and this is I'll go through this fast. Okay, bug fixes. So the pros, you have, if you get a SaaS, you have a lower cost, immediate access, and it's already built for scalability because they have clients who are big with so much traffic, so it's not an issue. Your traffic, item instant scalability, yes. Fast loading speed. Sometimes it's slightly customizable, but less. So if you need to customize, sometimes I also suggest to build your own, but I mean, it's much easier to have a SaaS, so easy to pivot and add niches. Yeah, this is the first time I read this, but okay, flexible activity suspension.
Don't worry about it.
You can pause your activity anytime. Yes, of course. Yeah.
Basically, here it's a lot of text. Yeah, it's easy to pivot when you have a SaaS because the SaaS solution has clients for multiple niches. So if you are running today cash and delivery, and tomorrow you want to run dating, and your platform is built for cash and delivery only, you need to start developing the features you need to accommodate dating, to track leads inside dating apps, for example, inside dating products. This is just or casino. It's the same thing. The platform is different. You need to add more and more and more. So yeah, also, let's say tomorrow you don't have 8,600 euro, whatever was the cost we approximated per month. You just don't have money. I don't know, something happened. Tomorrow you want to put everything in pause and say, guys, can you keep this for me in pause? I paid the affiliates and everything. Keep it for me for 6 months until I get some money from the advertiser or whatever. This is also a solution when you have a SaaS. When it's in-house, you just broke and that's it. Okay, number 2. Can I help? The second thing you need to know when you want to open an affiliate network, of course, or program, of course, you need to have the products to promote in this network. You can either be your own products or you can use third-party advertisers' products. Many of our clients do that. They don't, not all of them have their own products. They just use third parties. To do that, you need to find these advertisers. How do we find them? Of course, industry events like this one, and it's not the only one. Let's speak about this. Visit their booths, go and say and ask them. Are you guys direct advertisers? Is this your own product? Are you willing to work with a separate network? Operators. There are still some forums active where you can get them, Telegram groups, Skype groups from the industry. Who is in it knows them, so if you guys have no idea about it, ask people which are already doing this. Guys, can you suggest me some Telegram groups that I can go into? Of course, the trick here is the fact that you cannot trust the person you met just in a Telegram group. So you need to do a lot of research before start working with them. The third thing you need to know, you need to integrate these advertisers with your tracking platform. Okay? The integration usually is done via server-to-server postback for tracking accuracy. Some people suggest Pixel. It's not that accurate anymore, so most probably the tracking data will not be the same. You want to proceed with this?
So this is an example of a postback, and yeah, you need to understand what are the parameters in the postback. Yeah, that you need to replace the dynamic parameters and nothing else. So this is an example. You have this is the parameter that you give to the advertiser, and then the advertiser needs to replace them with theirs. So it will become like this. This is just an example or another way to integrate is with APIs. So, or you need to understand this, or have an affiliate manager that knows how to set postbacks. Or coder, complicated form. Yeah, most people don't understand the postback, but once you understand, it's quite easy. And if you integrate between TrafficManager platforms, we have this offer sync. So with a few clicks, you just import the offers, and without having to know how to set up them.
That's
okay.
Okay, the next step. You need to find, you had the advertisers. Let's suppose that you have integrated them with postback, using postback into your platform. You have whatever other tracking platform. You need to find affiliates if you don't have any. Where do you find them? The same. Industry, trade shows, forum, Telegram groups, Skype groups. These are, let's say, the main ways to find affiliates as well. And the risks are the same. If you come to a show, you will meet the person, the people, the affiliates in person. You will know that they are serious. They are not maybe doing fraud, or you will try to understand the vibe of that person. If you met them in forums, there is still that rating system over there that you can see their activity. If it's a new user, you will know not to trust it anymore, or not that much. Telegram groups and Skype groups, however, are risky, so you need to know who you are working with. You need to ask for reviews about these guys before paying them, or you need, in any case, to supervise their activity into the network really closely. Number 5, the fifth reason, you need to create and follow up a daily checklist for your affiliate program to work. You need, the first thing, for example, this is just an example. This is what we were doing when we were managing our own network. We were doing a diagnosis of the whole infrastructure. So affiliates are pushing traffic. They have a tracking link. They don't care. They push the traffic through this tracking link. But what happens on the other side is your responsibility. Because if he sends traffic to a page, a landing page, which is not available, it's loading very hard, it's give a 404 or 500 error, he's losing money because of you, because you don't take care of the final landing page of the product. So you need to do a diagnosis. You need to check. We used to check every day with a simple click just to see if the landing page was opening normally. The morning, I was doing this manually. Now there are tools that can do it automatically. And then, if you see any issues reported by the affiliates regarding this matter, address those first. So if an affiliate told you, I'm sending traffic here, but I don't see the clicks, that should be the first thing you do in the morning when you wake up, when you open your computer. Second, address the open tickets and support requests. You need to show your affiliates that you care about them. You need to show your affiliates that you are there for them. You don't, if you will reply to a ticket 3 days later, they will think, okay, how about if I have a problem with the payment? They will do the same. They will ghost me. So that's a big issue with many of our clients. They don't understand this. It's a psychological factor. You should have a person that replies. Even if you didn't solve the matter, reply. We are working on it. We will come back to you. Don't let them for 5 days to wait for your reply, because immediately they will think they don't care about me. Verify any incoming failed postbacks. So when you connect with another platform, another tracking platform, you receive in real time the postbacks, the conversion, the sales your affiliate did for this advertiser, right? It's very often, but very often, that the postbacks come with an error, a missing click ID, missing amount, something which is wrong. You should check those. You should have a log. In TrafficManager, we have a log for that. We have also an alarm that is popping up, like you are receiving these postbacks, are failed, 5 of them, this is the reason, are you interested? Like mute, I don't want to see this because it's not relevant, or address them, check with the advertiser. And this is, we give you a roadmap of the postbacks. We show you if there is any issue into the reporting side, which is very important. Because we had a case in, I think, 2 years after we launched the network. An affiliate dropped us because he said, your traffic is not converting. The landing page was working, we were sending the traffic correctly. We were receiving some conversions back. And I was like, everything is fine. I see conversions coming from this advertiser in my head. We didn't have this tool at that time in TrafficManager. We were using it just for us. It was just the network, not the tracking platform. And then this affiliate walked away. He was a very good affiliate. He was one of the top 5 affiliates we had. And I told Francesco, this guy left. I mean, I don't know, check it. He took, because I didn't notify him until the guy left, right? That was also my fault. And he told me, like, yeah, actually, we have like a very, very high amount of failed postbacks coming from this advertiser. I went to the advertiser and told him this, and he said, yeah, okay, sorry, we did a change in our landing page, and the click ID is not reporting to all the sales. I don't know if the change was made in purpose or not, but we lost money, and the affiliate lost money. We lost the affiliate for 1 year. Then he came back after 1 year to us. You should verify the next step, your top affiliates traffic first. You need to ensure that you don't have any significant traffic drops. If there are, you need to ask them for the information about the latest changes they did. And you need to ask them, can I help you with something? Is something I can do? Why is your traffic dropping? Ask for the reason. Make sure the decrease is not caused by any technical error. It's exactly what I was telling before. If you see a traffic increase, the same. Ask the affiliate, hey, what have you done? I see great traffic, great conversions. What have you done? I did this, okay, can we do it more? Try to follow up with this stuff. And do not move to the next step on your checklist if this is not done, because here is where you are making your money, and you will see later why. Then you can check all the other affiliates traffic. It's not because they are not important. You will understand the reason later. But you need here to follow the same pattern as before. Then, of course, look for any possible fraud traffic. You need to check on that as well. Verify your overall affiliate traffic. Make sure that you don't receive any fraudulent traffic. If you use an anti-fraud solution, this should be solved by default. And then, and only then, follow up with the newly onboarded affiliates. You need to remember that once the affiliates are onboarded, they have access to your platform. They will not work on autopilot. No, you need to follow up with many of them. So this should, if you have a team, you should delegate this task because it's very, very time-consuming. Then proceed with the rest of the minor tasks, which can be anything. Create creatives, create a newsletter for next week because we are going to this event, whatever. Follow up with the other stuff only after, because your business is already taken care of. Okay, follow up with the inactive affiliates. I told that already. Maybe this is a duplicate, sorry. Okay, so some pro tips from my side. Never go over the checklist. You need to follow it every day, no exceptions. Every day you have this checklist in front of you, check on it. If you don't like, build your own, of course, but the key is to organize your time very well because it's short. It's either that and you work maybe 8, 10 hours a day, 6 hours a day, very well organized, or you will work 14, 16 hours a day, disorganized. and you will feel it after a while. Follow up constantly with your affiliates, and this is one of the most important tasks, in my opinion, when you have an affiliate network or an affiliate program. They don't work on autopilot. You need to follow up with them. If they don't send traffic, send them a message. Why are you not sending traffic? What's happening? Is something we're doing wrong? Is something you tested? Check. Have you ever heard about the Pareto principle? Someone? Yeah? You know what it says, okay? So it says that 80% of the outcome comes from 20% of all the causes. The Pareto principle in affiliate marketing, it's a little bit slightly different. Most of any affiliate program or network profit lies in the hand of their top 10 affiliates. And this is what I told you, why I told you at the beginning, you need to follow up with your top affiliates first. You are saying, yes, I'm seeing you, but you know how many of my clients are not doing that? You know how many of my clients are not doing that? They are just doing stuff around, you know? They survive, but they don't do it in an organized way. They don't scale because of this. So yeah, this is, in my opinion, another of the most important rules. You should follow up with your top 10 affiliates, top 5, whatever you have. That should be your main goal every day. Read this again, write it somewhere in front of you, follow up with your top 10 affiliates, because this is very important. Use the affiliate feedback and handle criticism in a constructive way. This is also another very important thing, because if you are like a bit, you know, you don't like to receive criticism, this is a problem. The affiliates will criticize you anyway. So if you take it in a hard way, you will not learn anything. You will frustrate them, frustrate you, and they will leave. Take it in a good way. Okay, what have I done? What's happening? Your tracker is down, your link doesn't work, the campaign doesn't convert, blah, blah, blah. Doesn't matter the reason. Okay, please tell me why. What can I do to fix it? What would you think? What would you do if you were me? Start from here. Because maybe they are frustrated. They lost money running the campaign. Take it as it is. The ego, it's a big problem. Help your affiliates to optimize their revenue. Like I said at the beginning, check if they see a trend, an uptrend in their statistics, ask them what they have done. If you see a downtrend, ask them what they have done. If you have experience into that, you've been an affiliate before, you know how to optimize the traffic, so you can give them some ideas. Many guys are at the beginning, they don't really know how to manage that stuff, but you can teach them, or you can have someone in your company that does. And this is very important. Always pay your affiliates on time. So it's your absolute responsibility to pay them in time. If they are honest with you, they are not your partners. They are your collaborators. You owe them the money. It doesn't matter if you took the money from the advertiser or not, pay them. Because if you go back to them and say, hey, the advertiser didn't pay me, why should I care? I used my money to promote a campaign for you, and you are not paying me. This is not fair. And they suffer a lot of it, and you will do the same. So pay them in time. It's very, very important to earn their trust and keep them with you on the long term. Last but not least, do everything in your power to pay your staff on time as well. I want to give like an example. I will not give any names, but some of our clients are changing staff really often. All these guys come and they ask us to train them again and again and again. And then I hear stories and stories. They didn't pay me in time, they didn't pay me enough, they took some of my money. Why? If they were honest, you have no reason to do that. They should be, as the affiliates, among the first ones to be paid, not you. You are the business owner. You need to take the risks, not them, not the affiliates. As the leader, you have the responsibility to your team and to the affiliates. Show them respect, and this is the best way to show them respect. You appreciate them, their work, you pay them in time. If you do payments at the end of the month, and the end of the month it's on Saturday, pay them on Friday, not on Monday. This is what we were doing. And everybody was like really happy because they were like appreciating the gesture that we were paying like 2 days before. Forget about, rich dad, poor dad. This is the first book I read like I think 8 years ago or something, and it was like, pay yourself first. That's bullshit. No, you need to pay the other people first, and then pay yourself. All the info above available in my book. After 1 year and a half, I finished it finally. Yesterday, last year I launched it always at the Affiliate Expo. I was launching the data 3 months after the Affiliate Expo. I couldn't make it. I made it 3-4 weeks ago. It's here. For now, it will be available only as a hard copy. It will cost 297 euro, and the money that I will reach from this book, I will give them to a stray dog help center based in Romania. This is the QR code you can use to book yourself for reserve your spot for the book. I think I will do like 100 copies or so, not more. And yeah, we will give it to some of our clients first, and then whoever wants it. I want to give something back to, let's say, the universe. I received enough. I am giving a value to you, and I will use this money to do a good cause. So yeah, thank you for the attention, and thank you for being with us at the Affiliate Expo.